Ayan lang. Isang kilometers ka po, isang kilometer from the turning point kanina, remember the Edsaga Highway. From that distance, if we go deeper, farther inside, 1 more kilometer, we can see a fossil. We can find some specimen from the prehistoric time. They believe this is some kind of manatee. Opo. So they call them ikaw or toto. Scientifically known, this is Sirenia. Paleontologists believe that this animal existed during the Miocene age. The Miocene time is around 20 million years ago. Imagine we have this specimen, we have a fossil from this kind of sea mammal. And until now, the bone from this creature still inside, still on the side, because when they found this bone, this is not just lying on the floor. This is permanently embedded on the wall again, the rocks of the building. Aside from that unique discovery, last year, a team of Italian geologists discovered also a very rare kind of mineral. This mineral known as terracotta surface. This is rare because you can find this only so far in just the world. Hindi ko pa ito mataas lang, sir. Di ba ito ngayon sa ito? In other geological terms, we call this mineral manganese phosphate. Okay, now look at that ceiling. Meron parang may pupo, no? It's something like a pupo. Yan. Bago lang yan, mamasok-masok pa eh. Paano ka lang mag-get yan? This is the back cave here on your left side. Opo. But of course we can't go here. This cave is only for the back cave. 8 species of bats are seen there. We noted 8 kinds of different species. You want to go to the back cave? You need Batman. Yeah, I can't bring you there. Look, I'm just Boatman, not Batman. You got the wrong guy, huh? On your left side, you can see also bats in this corner. Did you see some? There are bats up there. And I'm sure you notice something here. The smell. Look, this place stinks. Because they're doing it here. The bat shit here. Yung choco brown sa ceiling, sa rocks, yung brown and the light, that's the tracks from the shit. They're doing this very open, so nakakawa na po siya. This is not bat cave. This part is bathroom. The bathroom. Wow. Finally. Thank God we made it. There's the light at the end of the tunnel. I can see it from here. Any further questions, Your Honor?
Guilty.
Is that your verdict? I hope everybody enjoyed this underground ride with me. Of course, as your guide and your boatman today. And sir, thank you for holding the light, sir.
No problem. My
I really
pleasure.
appreciate your kindness. Are you from what country, by the way?
I'm from Italy.
You are from Verona?
No, Verona.
Not Verona?
Genova.
Okay. Please do me some favor when you go back to Italy. Kindly tell your friends there about the game.
Okay. We will come.
I believe in Italy, lot of Italians.
Yes.
Tama naman ako. Oo, may tama ako. May tama ako. Hindi ko kahit si ma'am, kahit talaga. Sige, ma'am. So, okay. Wala ka. Kahit tayo Rizal. Kahit tayo dito kaya. doon. Wala pa po. San Vicente narating pa po.
Ganda kaya lang.
Nakita ko sa picture.
Ay, hirap ko pala. Sorry. Excited?
Handa yung mga kuhan, report. Di ba yung may panalo-panalo? Mapulot ito yung pangalan ko yung... At sa left side po, everybody face here.
Okay, one more.
For our pictures. Hindi yun
Everybody wait for me.
Cover your face.
No more.
Hapon kaya pa yan.
One more.
Wala nang tao.
Hindi, meron yan. Kasi may mga time po yung tour eh. May, halimbawa, yung permit po ninyo is 3 o'clock. Magpupunta ngayon. May pa 3 yun. May pa sila 3.
Tagal ang waiting dito.
Opo, because the underground river known as the longest waiting underground. Longest waiting. Dati, yan namin, 99.